I just got a package. I'm not quite sure what it is, but I think I know what it is, and I believe it's a lightsaber. The Hero, Return of the Jedi Hero. So let's take a peek. Didn't get any shipment notification on it, but I know that they're shipping. Well, so far it's just a box of newspaper. In there. Ooh. Here we go. Uh-oh, uh-oh. It's really happening. Oh, I was right. Here's the arrows and the circuit board and the buttons. Oh man, look at those. Those are fantastic. There we go. Keep it on that bubble wrap. Ooh. Oh man. Wow. That is awesome. That is totally awesome. There's the arrows. Don't want to lose that. Just for fun. Oh man, that's fantastic. Ooh, and it comes apart. Oh, let me drop shit. Got a bit of grease in there. Yeah, that's awesome. And it looks like I'll just have to glue on the buttons. Those dudes. Pull it out here. They'll have to be painted. That'll be easy. I gotta paint the rib section and then remove the paint off the ends of the ribs. And then I believe this part here is gonna be black as well. And I think that's black as well too. I gotta remember, I gotta look at the reference images. There's the tiny little triangles. I don't know if you can see that. Let me use this. Register that red and green. Awesome. Super cool.